Hey guys, this is Afur from Tech Inside Zone, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clear your Instagram search suggestions within a few minutes. Now you can delete the search suggestions in two different ways. Let me show you the both processes. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you are on the home page, click on the search icon from the bottom menu. After that, click on the search field from the top. And now you will see all the search suggestions. Now next to each suggestion, you will see a small X button. Simply tap on that to delete them one by one. This will clear your search history manually. However, if you have a ton of search suggestions to clear and the manual process seems time consuming to you, you can go with the second method, which will let you erase all the search suggestions in a single click. Let me show you that process as well. Come back to your Instagram homepage and click on the profile icon. After that, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. This will take you to the settings and activity menu. From there, go to the your activity section and now scroll down and find the recent searches option. Simply tap on it. This will not only show you all the search suggestions in a single place, but also will provide you with an option to clear them all. Now on the top right corner, you will see an option to clear them all. Simply tap on the clear all button and this will erase all the search suggestions. So that's it for the video guys, and if this video helps you, then consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you on the next one.